First we have to create list. So that point we have to click on list, and here now click on create new. Fill all the information which is required for the list, like I just add it like the name of test, display name test, description whatever you want, like I just fill it test. You can change this information if required, otherwise you can. Now fill the information which is required, mark by red color. Industry type computer, select country India, zone, address, my city name, my zip code, and nothing do will just save and back to list. Here the notify that our list is created successfully. Now you can see the list name here, and now we have to import data in this list. So that we have to click on this import option which is available there. Import, if you have, if your data is in CSV format, so you have to choose CSV. If your data has in text format, so you have to select text, choose file. If you want to check the sample file, you can click here, so it will be downloaded here. So you can check the test sample, how your file could be. Like first column you have to type email, first name, last name, or other information. If you have only email address, so you can delete this option and remain only the email address tab. Okay, now I am saving this. Now choose file your, choose your file and import. So I have some text file, like I have a file which is new one, I'm uploading it. Processes, I have just imported 498 successfully and one with error. Now we have to back to list directly from here, or you can click here also to see the list. You can check your list by click here. Your total subscriber 498, all the email address listed below. Now here you can see the option where you can delete or copy this information for new file, like this. The name is test number 1, and you can modify this information also from here. Here you can see the tab update. If required, then you can edit the name, display name, email address, or some other information like listed here. Now I'm going to back to the option list. Here you can see we have created list and import our data in this. Now we have to create a campaign. For that you can click all campaign or regular campaign. If you click on regular campaign, the same option will be open here for create new. Now put your campaign name. So I'm just edit here campaign first. Now I have to choose my list, so I'm selecting this list. No need to change anything here. Now click on save and next. Now here you can edit your information, like what name you need to send the emailer, like my company name or my product name, whatever you. Here you can select your from email and reply email. If all the same, you can leave it, or you can change your reply email address here. Like I am editing here sales, and now we have to put our subject line here, like summer sale. We do not need to change anything here. Just fill all this information and leave this. Just save and next. Now here we have to create our template. If you have images, then you can click on images, browse server, upload file, select file, uh, like I have this file, so I'm uploading it. And now we have to double click on this picture and click OK. So now we have this image. If you can add more images here, like again, if you click double here, so you can select this also. But if you want to upload another image, then upload file, select file, and now we have to choose another file. Okay, so we have two different files here, or you can type your matter here, hello or something. If you have an HTML, so you can copy your HTML code and paste it here directly. So here's how you can create your emailer. And now we have to put a unsubscribe URL. You can unsubscribe here. Now I'm putting unsubscribe URL to this. For that we have to select this content and click on available tag. Here you can see some content tag have required, no, 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 no. These all are not mandatory, but we have a direct unsubscribe URL which is mandatory. So we have to select this and copy. Now close this. Now you have to link this selected. I have just selected it and link a URL on this. protocol have to be other, and then OK. Now save and next. Now you can schedule your campaign by clicking here, time, date, what you want. You can select it here. Just you can see the from name, reply email address, our subject. Now you have to click on send campaign. Now campaign has been started. So you can check all the thing here. I'm not sending this, so I've just pause it. But all the thing is you have to follow all this step. First you have to create email list. After that a regular campaign, or if you want to copy that, just simply copy and select your list, whatever list it is. Just like I'm selecting list 1 for my another campaign. Now save and next. You can change your setting here, preferred name, your reply address, all the thing. Save and next. Because I'm copied that email campaign, that's why all the thing is available here. You can change it, like I'm deleting it, and save and next, and send campaign. Only there's two steps for that list and campaign.